Morning all, and welcome again from AMT Specialist Cars here in Leeds. Sat in front of you we have a blue 1818 plate Volkswagen Golf GTD Estate. Fantastic condition and some lovely spec as well. So you can see those two-tone 18-inch alloy wheels there. The colour really does stand out from the crowd on this car as well. Finished with a full sort of tartan finish cloth upholstery. And this 18 plate has covered 38,476 miles. Got all the mod cons on that you'd like: satellite navigation, Apple and Android CarPlay, heated front seats, and this particular one is a DSG, so it's the automatic transmission. Parking sensors front and rear, auto lights, auto wipers, and this particular car has actually also got a factory tow bar. So if you're looking for a car to tow, this is already set up to do all that for you. For any further information, please contact the sales team. Make an appointment, come and have a look, have a drive. We'd be more than happy to help. Thank you again for watching. We look forward to speaking to you soon.